Hi guys, this is a necessary update for Meta Pixel and Conversion API, specifically Conversion API. So we've noticed some changes. There's now an access token specifically for Conversion API in order for you to track data or track activities from the server. It's kind of more reliable, or is a supportive option alongside the Meta Pixel, which you've already installed. So we're just going to show you how to generate this token on Event Manager. So you go to your pixel, and definitely you're going to find your pixel at the Event Manager on Facebook. So once you get that, you visit settings, you scroll down and generate your access token. So we're going to cover this in this video, and our case study is on a seller website or any other e-commerce or marketplace that you want to connect your pixel to it for your own store. Then if they should ask for an access token in order for them to be able to track or use Conversion API, so they could track saver data. So this is how to get the access token. So you simply copy. Once you generate, you copy, then you paste. We're going to cover that for seller, and you could do this for every other system on your website or any marketplace you are working with. So let's jump right straight into this video and show you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. And always visit the description section. We have other related resources to help you succeed in advertising across Meta. All right. So when you open a new tab, you visit business.facebook.com/select. Make sure you've logged in your Facebook account on this browser, okay, before doing this. So you visit facebook.com, you log in, then you open a new tab and enter business.facebook.com/select. So we're going to be selecting the business portfolio where the pixel was created under. So I'm going to click on agency. Next, you click on settings. Or when you scroll down, you're going to find see all in business settings. So either you click on this one or this one. Anyone takes you to business portfolio settings. All right, so we are here. So next thing we want to do is to scroll down to pixel. So this is the easiest way. I know there are some other ways people teach you guys doing it through ad account, that you click on tools and you find Event Manager. So that is when the ad account is linked to the Meta Business Pixel, but this is the official way to go through it. So you click on data sources, then you scroll down, click on Meta Pixel. Okay, data sets and pixel. Okay, so this is for this, our case study is seller, is a marketplace, where you could build your store. So Gospel Wobo Selar Store. So this is it. We're going to use this one. Okay. So next thing we want to do, so you can see is data set is receiving events. So click on Event Manager. All right. Yeah. So this is it. Okay, so the next thing, just allow this to load up. Okay, so next thing you want to do, you click on settings. Okay. We've already covered how to do setup on Pixel, but this is just an update, particularly on Selar Store. There's now a Conversion API and token. So for those of you using Seller or any other similar marketplace that does this. So we're going to scroll down, keep scrolling. Always make sure this one is turned on. Track event automatically without code. It will help you a lot. So next, we are here. So this is Conversion API. Okay, so here it's already active though. Okay, this is what we're meant to do. Generate access token. So next, you open a new tab, open your Selar Store. Make sure you log into your seller. So once you're logged into your Selar Store, next thing you want to do. So once you visit seller, you click on login. Okay. So if you've been using this device for a long time, it should log in automatically. Or you have to input your email address and password. So let's hold up a bit. Okay, here we go. So we are logged in. Okay, next thing you want to do, you click on this menu button at the top right. Next, you scroll down and click on integrations. So next, you click on Facebook Pixel and Conversion API. So we've done something similar for TikTok. All right. So this is the Pixel ID already that we're using. So you click on Enable Conversion API. So now it's going to ask for the token code that we want to go and generate. So Conversion API access token. So let's go and generate. So you click on Generate Access Token. Next, you click on Generate Access Token. Okay, so this is the token code. So we copy, then we come here, then we paste it. Then you click on Update Pixel. Do well to visit the description section. We always provide additional resources to help you succeed. Then click on Update Pixel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. Don't forget, all these updates will help you track better web events. That is the main advantage of all of this we just did. Okay. So see you in our next video, and bye for now. Don't forget, make sure the token you are generating, don't add other pixel. So if they mention other pixel, do well to unselect it as we did. Okay. Just focus on the particular pixel you are using for this. All right, guys. See you in our next video, and bye for now. Cheers.